Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to measure window shades from inside and from outside. All you need is a tape measure like this, and from inside mount and from the outside mount. First we're going to start with the inside mount. Inside mount, you hold the tape measure like that, and you go from the corner to the inside mount corner, just like that. You take the measurement that it's all the way to the corner. That's your measurement for the width. Now for the heights, you basically do the same thing from inside to inside, just like that. And whatever number hit the bottom, that's the number you're gonna use. Now from outside mount, we're gonna use from the corner to the corner, just like that. You hold the tape measure, you pull it all the way to the right, and you take these measurements all the way here until you hit that corner right here, and that's your size, because that's exactly where you're gonna mount your bracket. One here and one here. Now, for window blinds, is a little bit different. You measure 3 places, 1, 2, 3. The top, the middle, and the bottom. And you choose the narrowest measurements, like this. From inside the top, the center, and the bottom, same way. And whatever is the narrowest measurement, that's the one you're gonna use. Now, the most important thing on an inside mount measurement, when it's a blind, you must use the narrow side, because if the window is a little bit narrower, the blind, if you choose the wide measurement, it's not gonna fit. So make sure you choose the narrowest measurement. And thank you very much. If you have any question or you need to know more, you can always email us.